everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of the cat fridge magnet, where I will show you each and every step of how to make the beautiful sky shaded effect, the paper quilling clouds, cat, the bricked wall and the beautiful purple and pink color combination flowers. Isn't it looking super cute? And on the back side I have attached a magnet, so you can decorate your home, you can gift it to your loved ones. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking 8 cm diameter cardboard circle. This is 2 mm cardboard circle and I am joining 2 circles together to create the thick base. Like this. Now here I am taking these small cardboard pieces which measures 1.5 by 0.5 centimeters, and I will use these pieces as the bricks. So I am dividing the circle in half portion, and on the bottom portion I am going to attach these bricks alternatively. Like this. Then after drying, I am just chopping the excess parts from the edge. And this is done. Now, first of all, on the base, I am completely covering using white acrylic color. You can also use gesso to prime the base. After that, I am taking dark blue acrylic color, which is a cerulean blue, and coloring only right portion of the sky, which is pure blue sky. Don't forget to color the edge as well. Then taking little bit of white on my brush and creating the cloud effect. Just roll your paintbrush on the surface and you will have nice shaded cloudy effect. So this is done. Then in the bottom I am coloring using dark green acrylic color. Then taking a little bit of white paint on my brush with green mixed and just dry shading on top of the bricks. So it will highlight only the brick portion and give you a little distress effect. So the bottom portion will be dark and the brick portion will be little lighter. So it will give nice three-dimensional look. And this is done. Then I'm starting with making the cat. For this here I'm taking 5 strips of white color in 3mm and making one tight coil. Like this. Then I'm flattening it from the bottom and making kind of semicircle shape. Then using my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. I don't want a deeper dome, just a little bit of dome. So after the satisfactory shape, I am covering this shape inside using glue. I like to dry. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more tight coil domes which are made using half strips of 2mm in white color. So it will be the hands of the cat. Now to make the ears, here I am taking half strip of white color in 2mm and making a triangular shape. Just curving the triangle from bottom like this, and with the same way I have prepared one more ear. Now here I am taking grey acrylic color and painting the face of the cat from top using grey color. Also coloring the ears with the same shade. Then adding small 2 pink colored dots as cheeks. Creating some lines on the forehead using black color and creating the mouth as well using same shade. Then taking my ball tool and making 2 small eyes. After that, adding glue on both the sides and connecting the moustache. For this I have cut black paper in small strips. Adding the moustache on both the sides, and this is done. Then also I have colored the center part of the ears using same pink acrylic color, and it will look like this. Now taking back my base and first time sticking the face. Then adding both the hands. After that, connecting the ears. And it will look like this, super cute. Then I'm starting with making the clouds. For this here I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color in 2mm and making one open coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more coils using 1/8 strips and 1/4 strips. Now taking back my base, and I'm decorating some corners using these clouds. And then in the center I am adding this cute bow which is made using mold and clay. Then I am starting with making the flower. For this I am taking here 1/4 strip of purple color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. I got these 1 mm strips from Craft Gully. You can check the coupon code in description box for extra discounts. They have huge variety of the quilling strips. Now I am joining 4 petals together and making the flower shape. For the center here I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color in 1 mm and making one tight coil, sticking it on top of the flower. Then covering the whole flower using glue. Taking it on my palm and using the backside of paintbrush, just pinching it in the center to make the flower 3D, and this is done. With the same way I have prepared lots of flowers using pink strips and purple strips. The process is same. Now to make leaves, here I am taking 1/8 strip of sap green color in 2 mm and making simple leaf shape. Similarly I have prepared lots of leaves. Then taking back the base design, and I am decorating both the left and right side corners using these beautiful flowers and leaves. Then randomly I am adding some pink color stones here and there just to fill little gaps. And then at the end I am attaching strong magnet on the back side so that you can use this as the fridge magnet. So the magnet is completely dried and your piece is ready to decorate your house, to gift it to your friends. And in this way you can make different animals with different flowers and make your own super cute magnets. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.